Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Another big exciting day in my kitchen. Where are we going? What are we making? Listen, it's party time. How you doing? It's party time, guys. And we're gonna get ready for some celebration. So we're coming into the New Year's, but if you got a birthday going on, if you got the holidays going on, summer occasion, maybe you wanna celebrate a sunny day, maybe you just wanna celebrate because it's a great day. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna share with you guys some simple, fun, and easy recipes to make any occasion a knockout. All right, what do you say? Let's get started. Let's start having some fun. First thing you're gonna need, our foundation. Our foundation is gonna be Prosecco. So some people use champagne. Guys, that's French. Okay, this is Cooking Italian with Joe. Champagne drinkers from France, they're losers, okay? No place in my kitchen. No, I'm just kidding, all right? But we're gonna use Prosecco because we're doing some fun things with some Italian drinks, all right? So we're gonna start with a bottle of Prosecco. Ideally, you want it 34, 36 degrees. So throw it in the refrigerator, get that sucker chilled, get it cold. Next thing you're gonna need is what I'm gonna call the Italian style chiller, ice, okay? And what they do is they take fruit. So when you go to Italy, you'll see often they'll take fruit, they throw it in the freezer. So this is pretty much frozen solid. So I've got some raspberries, I've got some blackberries, I've got some blueberries. You guys can use pineapple, whatever. Throw it in the freezer, get it frozen solid, and we're gonna use that not only as something that's eye-catching and that's beautiful, but it also keeps your glass chilled. And the beauty of that is it adds flavor, and where ice would dilute the flavor of your drink, in this case, it just enhances it. Next, you're gonna need bicchiere. You're gonna need a glass. So listen, you got some drinkers in your family, you're gonna use a highball, okay? Certainly a celebratory glass, we got our fluted glass, okay? So we're gonna use both because we got some drinkers and we got some celebration. I don't know. A couple other things you're gonna need. Number one, Frank Sinatra playing in the background. Dino's great. I'm not gonna argue. Tony's great. Perry Cuomo's great. Four Freshmen's great. My dad used to love listening to them. But listen, nobody brings it home like Frank. We gotta admit that, okay? Second thing you're gonna need, which you actually don't need, but you need it for your kitchen, is some olive oil. Now, I'm thinking the best olive oil that wouldn't go in this drink, but it might go in some little appetizers, would be Vito and Joe's. It's grassy, earthy, peppery. It's from Puglia. Hell, it's from a farm that I own in Italy. We co-op with a whole group of farms to bring you guys some of the best extra virgin Italian olive oil you're ever gonna have. And I know what you're thinking, Joe, oh my gosh, I would love to get it. I'd love for you to get it too. So hit my website or Facebook or Instagram, cookingitalianwithjoe.com. Grab yourself a couple of bottles, small and large. We'll drop ship it right to your front doorstep. I always think of it as taking a trip to Italy right in a bottle. Let's start celebrating. First thing you gotta do, guys, you gotta open up your Prosecco, okay? And listen, make a big deal out of it. You know why? Because it's a big deal. So today I got a La Marca, which is just a fantastic Prosecco. It's not too sweet, it's not too dry. I don't like anything too dry for me. You know, get that extra brut, that's just too dry for me. But I don't want something like candy either, because we're gonna add some sweetness to it with our little special mixers. You ready? Oh, party time. There you go. I don't know about you guys, but one of my favorite aromas is the fermentation, the aroma of the fermenting, if you will, in this case, Prosecco or bread or beer. I just love the aroma of that. All right, so we've got our Prosecco. Now I know what you're thinking, Joe, what are you gonna add to the Prosecco? For people who love oranges, we're gonna use some Cointreau. So why do we use this? Now Grand Marnier is great. It's gonna be made with oranges and cognac, and it's a little bit heavier on the palate. Well, this is gonna have brighter notes of orange. It's a little lighter, a little bit sweeter, so I prefer this. So for our orange lovers out there, we're gonna add a little bit of an orange feel to our Prosecco. It's gonna make a great drink and a bright drink, all right? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go about 3/4 of the way with our Prosecco. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? And now we're gonna add a little orange. Essentially a splash, about a ½ ounce. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit of a stir with a spoon. And now I'm thinking a couple of raspberries. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna go there. Oh, how great does that look? Oh, I love the aroma of that. I still get that fermentation in the Prosecco, which is just absolutely delicious on the nose. A little bit of the raspberry, and you get some of the notes of the orange right there. It's so fantastic. Assaggio means to taste in Italiano. Chin chin, chin dine, salute. Oh, that is good. I love it because immediately you get the Prosecco and the raspberry, and then instantly you're getting those notes of orange. And if you love orange, I'll tell you, this is the drink. Certainly a great way to bring in the new year. Guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today, making a simple recipe with Prosecco, orange liqueur, and some raspberries. Don't forget, guys, if you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Anything we got going on the farm, recipes, travel to Italy, come right to your notification box. Certainly give me a thumbs up. That way it'll help share our videos to other people looking for fun Italian cooking and recipes. And last but not least, guys, and really the most important reason we do our videos, you know what? Get around the kitchen table once a month, couple times a month with your family, with your friends, your grandparents, if you're blessed to still have them, you know, your parents. Tell some stories, share some recipes, burn a few things in the kitchen. Even more important than that, you're gonna celebrate your heritage and you're gonna set some traditions of love. They're gonna last your lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week, mwah, buon appetito, chin dine, a salute, a salaut.